My name's Jeff Middlesworth. I'm an of-counsel attorney at BENNU Legal Services. Well, I went to law school because I wanted to help people. And when I was in law school, I saw that the poor and the disadvantaged, they didn't have the same access to the law as people with more money. And so when I saw an ad for a volunteer attorney at BENNU Legal Services, which was a not-for-profit, I thought that'd be a perfect chance for me to get experience and help people. There was a couple, let's call them Ricardo and Patti. Patti is a naturalized U.S. citizen. She was born in Mexico, but she naturalized and became an American citizen. And she wanted Ricardo to get a green card through their marriage. Before they went to BENNU, they went to what's called a notario. And these are people who give legal advice even though they're not lawyers. And this notario ended up giving them inaccurate advice that cost them thousands of dollars and years of their lives trying to get Ricardo a green card unsuccessfully. So they eventually came to BENNU. No, one of the other attorneys at BENNU handled their case. Well, the final step was for them to have their adjustment of status interview. That's where an immigration officer determines whether Ricardo is eligible for a green card. 2 weeks before that interview, Ricardo was arrested and charged with a DUI. At that point, I became their criminal attorney and their immigration attorney. They were very nervous, especially Patti. She thought that Ricardo had ruined their chances and he would never get a green card after that. We went to their adjustment of status interview. And at the interview, I explained to the immigration officer that the DUI should not affect his eligibility for a green card because it's just a traffic violation. After that, we had to take care of the DUI in criminal court. When I went there, the prosecutor offered us a deal. We didn't like it. We thought we could do better, so we made a counter offer, which the prosecutor accepted, and Ricardo ended up getting a very fair settlement. And then 2 weeks later, he got a green card in the mail. Ricardo and Patti are both more relaxed now. They're no longer looking over their shoulders, and they don't worry that they'll be separated or that they'll have to move back to Mexico.